Meaning of disdainful.
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 Disdainful. The term disdainful refers to a feeling or attitude of contempt or dislike towards someone or something considered unworthy of respect. It suggests a sense of superiority and aloofness towards the subject of disdain. A disdainful person may show their contempt through words, tone of voice, body language, or facial expressions. They may look down on people they consider inferior, dismiss their ideas or opinions without consideration, or refuse to acknowledge their worthiness. Such an attitude can create conflict and hurt feelings, often leading to strained relationships.